Do you want your parents and grandparents to live with you in Canada? If yes, then this video is for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Canada Lovers. इस वीडियो में हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि आप अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और पेरेंट्स को कनाडा कैसे बुला सकते हैं.
So, let's get started.
Inviting your parents and grandparents to Canada is possible through Super Visa.
कैनेडियन सिटीजन्स और परमानेंट रेजिडेंट्स अपने पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को कनाडा में विजिट करवाने के लिए सुपर वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सुपर वीज़ा फर्स्ट 2011 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया, जिसके थ्रू थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कनाडा आ सके और लंबे समय तक अपने बच्चों के साथ रह सके. सुपर वीज़ा नॉर्मली 2 इयर्स के लिए वैलिड होता है और एक बार में आप इसे 1 ईयर के लिए ही एक्सटेंड करा सकते हैं. Super Visa has social and economical benefits. For example, if you are new parents and you have kids at home, then आपके parents and grandparents आपके kids का take care कर सकेंगे and you both partners can get focused on your full-time job, which helps you economically. You must invite your parents and grandparents to Canada as a host, and you must meet minimum income threshold criteria because your parents and grandparents will be financially dependent on you only. Your parents and grandparents must have passed medical exam. Your parents and grandparents must have valid Canadian medical insurance coverage for 1 year with minimum coverage of $100,000.
The letter of invitation has 2 parts. First part holds the information about your parents or grandparents, and the second part holds the information about you, which means the host. So let's discuss part 1 first. It should include complete name, date of birth, address, telephone number of your parents or grandparents. It should also tell relationship to the host, the purpose of trip to Canada, how long the invitee intends to stay in Canada, where the invitee will stay and how he or she intends to finance purchases while in Canada, when the invitee plans to leave Canada. Here the invitee means the parents or grandparents whom you are inviting. So now let's discuss the second part of letter of invitation, which includes the details of host. It should include complete name, date of birth, address, telephone number, and job title of the host. It should also mention information about the host's status in Canada. It should also note family details including names and date of birth. The form should also mention the total number of persons residing in the household. The following must also be included in the Super Visa letter of invitation: a signed promise of financial support for the invitee by the host, and second is proof of minimum income.
If you are inviting your parents and grandparents to Canada, then you must meet minimum income threshold criteria, and these thresholds are called low income cutoffs, LICO. If you are inviting more than 2 persons, then you can refer to the table given here.
Now you can prove your minimum income by showing your tax returns. You can also produce a copy of T1 or T4 from your employer. If you are self-employed, you can obtain a letter of income from your accountant confirming your annual income. You should also produce original letter from your employer stating the title, job description, and your salary. You need to show your employment insurance pay stubs as well. You should also mention proof of other sources of income such as pension statements and other investments.
Here is an important point to be noted that your parents and grandparents must carry all the travel related documents with them, one of which is insurance letter, which can be reviewed by an officer at the Canadian Port of Entry.
You can go to IRCC website for more information and can directly apply for Super Visa there. If you found this video helpful and informational, do like this video and subscribe our channel Canada Lovers. Till then, bye-bye.
कनाडा लवर्स की वीडियो ना हो गई, कपिल शर्मा का शो हो गया, रात को 2 बज गए हैं, ना होस्ट सोता ना ऑडियंस होती है.